Today we're unboxing the iQOO Pad2 Pro. It's the second generation Pro version. Let's first look at the packaging. The packaging is quite large. It has some laser etched lines that look nice. Let's check out the tablet's specs first. We see 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. That's quite generous. It's on par with the phone version. The color is a grey gold. Let's see what's inside the box. First up, the connection port, a stylus pen, and an MFC for connecting with the phone. Here's the user manual. There's a 66-watt charger, a premium data cable. That's all for the accessories worth noting about this tablet. It doesn't have a screen protector. So, when you take it home, remember to apply one. Let's look at its overall frame. The borders are similar to previous models, but can't compare to the phone version. A tablet is a tablet. The bezels are mostly equal all around. It looks visually appealing with its LCD screen and unique features. It looks quite comfortable. There's a camera at the top, the side bezels house. Some speakers, volume buttons are at the top. Power button on the side. The overall metal frame feels good to touch. The back has an all-metal design with a patriotic logo in the center. A circular camera in the top right. It's a single camera with a flash and circular design, resembling the phone's design. The back has a matte finish, feels solid and square, with a cool metal feel. Keyboard connectors at the bottom. Overall design is quite similar, though it's an LCD screen, daily use. Brightness is sufficient. The screen is relatively large, 13.1 inches, similar to mainstream notebooks. Plus, this tablet has a 144 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling is smooth, no lag. Then its overall resolution reached almost 3K. You can think of it as 3K resolution, so it still looks quite clear. This tablet only provides face recognition, no fingerprint recognition. Actually, it's not a big issue since it's rarely used for payments, just for unlocking next. Let's look at some specs of this tablet. This tablet currently uses the latest 9300 Plus. This processor is one of the top tier in flagship phones. Using it in a tablet is quite generous performance-wise. It scores between 2.3 million. That's already among the top positions. When gaming, you can choose full screen, or 21:9 aspect ratio, basically the same ratio as flagship phones. All of these can be set. Just choose what you prefer. I personally prefer 21:9. Its overall view is like a phone, but visually it's much larger. I personally like playing Peace Elite. It can run at 90 FPS with HDR. Few phones can achieve this, but this tablet can. So when you use it, you'll find the graphics very impressive. Let's test with performance dog data. This tablet running Peace Elite basically maintains 90 FPS. What can it do for daily use? I mainly use it to watch cartoons. If you're using it yourself, you can type drafts with a keyboard. Writing is quite common. The top corner shows a 5G signal. It's actually connected to your phone. After data sharing, you can make calls on the tablet, send text messages too, and receive text as well when you take the tablet out. No need for phone hotspot, just grab your phone, put the phone in your bag. Use the phone's data directly. It's very convenient. I also do a lot of video editing. The computer is in a fixed spot, but you can use the tablet to remotely control the computer. Basically, with the tablet you can control the computer. It's very convenient. Overall, this tablet looks quite large, but for daily use, watching landscape videos, it's quite convenient. Especially for typing, writing drafts. It can handle some work tasks. Performance-wise, it's excellent, because this tablet has specs on par with flagship phones overall. High-end configuration. It's quite comfortable to use. Remember to like and follow.